Welcome to another health and wellness moment here with Dr. Guevara at Texas Family Wellness Clinic. We're at their beautiful Southside location. Big fan of this spot. And we've been exploring a lot of really great topics and some of the services that you offer here. Today we're talking about liver disease, and we're going to emphasize a little bit more on a fatty liver, which we hear a lot about but maybe don't know enough about it. So take it away.
Right. So fatty liver is a major health problem right now in the United States. It's estimated that about 100 million Americans suffer from fatty liver or liver disease in general, but only about 2% know about it, know that they have liver disease. So, of course, back in the day when I was going through school, the major cause of liver disease was alcohol abuse, maybe viruses like the hepatitis viruses, but now the number one cause of liver disease is fatty liver, and that comes from our poor diet, especially the processed carbohydrates, sugars, and starches that we consume. So what is fatty liver? Fatty liver is an accumulation of fat within your liver that causes, over time, inflammation of your liver. So we talk about the first two stages of liver disease that include fatty liver. The second would be non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, which essentially means inflammation of your liver not related to alcohol use. Fortunately, we have our wellness exam that helps us to identify different things that may give us a clue as to whether a person may have fatty liver disease. The first is looking at liver enzymes through your blood test. That is a big clue, but we also have incorporated our new ultrasound machine. So we're using this to help identify liver disease, including fatty liver. So this is an image of a person's liver that we took earlier today. So we have our radiology technician and radiologists that can help us to identify whether or not this liver indicates or shows evidence of fatty liver disease. So we do have a registered dietitian on staff who helps us inform patients and teach patients about the things that they can do to reverse these processes. There are some nutritional supplements that we believe can be beneficial. Of course, IV therapy can help. This machine also, in addition to doing an ultrasound, we also have the ability to do staging of cirrhosis or fibrosis of the liver. It's called elastography. So that's kind of an upgrade from the traditional ultrasound that can be done to evaluate liver disease, and just gives us more information about the severity of liver disease.
Wow, really, really interesting. I'm always blown away with the information that we receive here, and I walk around town with all these random facts in my brain. You should be too, because you're watching every week, right? But we're so grateful for these health and wellness moments with you all. Whether this is something we encounter in our lives or not, someone we know will end up with fatty liver disease, because it sounds like it's really common. So the great news is that our friends here at Texas Family Wellness Clinic are ready to take care of you in the best way possible. They're thorough, they've got the nutritionist, it's the whole shebang here, guys. So head to their website, apply to become a new patient if you don't already have that approval, if you're not an existing patient, and of course mention as usual that Coastal Living sent you. Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Health and Wellness with Dr. Guevara is paid for by Texas Family Wellness Clinic.